What's going on, guys? Taylor Cacciola, co-founder at Namra Consulting Group. We're doing another session of questions you have on social media, digital marketing. So let's get right into them. Okay, first question. What are your favorite insights to look at on social media? So I'm going to say this is, basically Facebook and Instagram. For me personally, we do a ton of video content, and in my opinion, the best thing to look at is how many 3-second or 10-second video views on YouTube you're getting. I think that's a great way to actually understand whether or not your content is resonating and engaging your audience. Because it's pretty amazing that you can actually see how long people are hanging on there for, kind of like the stickiness of a website, but the stickiness of your videos, a great way to determine if your video sucks or it doesn't. So, next one. What was that? Tips for posts? Okay, LinkedIn engagement tips. So tips to post